Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about LeetCode 75 sort colors. So for this question, I'm given an array norms with n objects color red, white, or blue. So 0 is represents red, 1 represents white, and 2 represents blue. So for simplicity, just gonna sort that in place. I'm gonna sort this into 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, something like this. So at first, we have this array here, right? So you're gonna create a left pointer and a right pointer. So this will represent the right pointer, and then the green one represents the left pointer. And then the right pointer will be the one to look through the array. So when we have two for loops here. So for the first for loops, if the right is pointing to a 0 here, you're going to start with the element that left is pointing to. So let's go through the first one. So at first, right is pointing to 2, right? So you're just going to move right. And then for now, it's pointing to a 0. So we're going to start with the element that left is pointing to. So now in this case, you become something like this. And then you're going to move left by 1. Then just continue loop 2, not 0, not 0, not 0, a 0 here. And you're going to start with left. And I left at 1. So for the first iteration, you realize that all the zeros are on the left already. Then for the second iteration, we are putting all the ones in the middle. So how are we going to do this? We'll start put the right pointer here. And then if right is pointing to a 1, it will swap with the element that left is pointing to. So for now, it's a 2 here. So we're just going to move right. And now it's pointing to 1. We're going to swap it. 1 and 2. And then we're going to move the left pointer by 1. So next is a 1 here. So we're going to move. And then move left by 1. And after you're done with this 2 loops here, you'll realize that all of these are in order already. So let's try to do this on LeetCode. At first, you're going to create the left pointer. And you're going to create the right pointer too. So for right in range. Then this is for the first loops, right? So if currently nums right is pointing to 0, then you're going to swap it with left. Oh. You're going to swap it with the element that left is pointing to. So this is a special way of how Python has changed the values. And you're going to move left by 1. Then for the second for loops, you're going to start at left. So for this loop, we are going to put all the ones in the middle, right? So if now currently right is pointing to 1, we're going to swap it again. And when you swap this, you're going to move left by 1. So in the end, you realize that all of them are in order. Oh, for this one, there's a mistake here. So now when you run this, it should be okay. Yeah, now it's also accepted. And that's it for this video. Thank you.